In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze column Notion. Freezing a column is really helpful when you're working with a wide database and you keep losing track of important information, like names, statuses, or key identifiers, as you scroll to the right. By freezing a column, you can lock it in place so it always stays visible, making your database easier to read and work with. First, start by opening the Notion page that contains the database you want to work on. Make sure that this database is in table view. If it isn't, look for the view selector at the top left of the database, click it, and choose the option that says Table. The freeze feature only works in a table-style view, so confirming this at the beginning will save you confusion later. Once your database is in table view, take a moment to look across the top row, where all your column headers are displayed. These might be things like name, status, due date, or any custom property you've created. Decide which column you want to keep visible at all times. A common choice is the main identifying column, like a task name or client name, but you can choose whichever column makes the most sense for how you work. Next, move your mouse to the header of that column. This is the gray or colored area at the very top of the column that shows the property name. Click directly on that header. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that column, such as editing the property, sorting, or hiding the column. In this menu, look for the option that says Freeze Up to Column. Click that. As soon as you select it, Notion will lock that column, along with any columns to its left, so they stay in place when you scroll horizontally. You'll notice that as you move to the right across your table, the frozen section remains visible on the screen, while the unfrozen columns slide underneath. If you ever change your mind or want to adjust which columns are frozen, you can repeat the same process with a different column header and select the freeze option again, or use the menu to unfreeze. This gives you a lot of flexibility as your database grows or your priorities change. And that's all you need to do to freeze a column in a Notion table view, helping you keep your most important information front and center while you work.